finish melting my everything is melted, and when it cools down it should look like this. Show you what it will look like, and it will look like this. And then I'm gonna whip it in the next couple hours. You gotta make sure all the powder stuff is melted. And when it cools down, I'm gonna add my preservative in here because I'm using Dermo Plus and it's heat sensitive, so I have to add it I like to add it about 100 Fahrenheit or up to 90. Okay, I'm not gonna put any fragrance in this because I'm just gonna use some separately, and yeah, so I'm just gonna let this sit for a bit and harden up. Okay guys, so this part, the topping has a little bit of sugar, so it's basically a mild sugar scrub. So the bottom part does not have
any sugar in it, but I'm topping it off with the sugar scrub. And you see the brown graham cracker looking? That's all made out of bubble bar recipe. And for the blueberries, I made, how cute is that? I made those as from a bubble bar recipe. So if you want to try making berries, you can use a bubble bar recipe. I think I have one. I think I have a bubble bar recipe on my site, on my Facebook page. So if you would like the recipe, you'll have to join my Facebook group. And this smells absolutely delicious. It smells like a nice blueberry with a bit of a bakery scent. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and feel free to share this video. And if you need the recipe for the berries, check out my Facebook. All the links will be in the description below the video. Thank you guys.